What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? 0200. And look what I got here. A fidget spinner. I got a fidget spinner today. Well, I didn't because, well, my brother said that she gonna give me a new one soon. So in the next video, when I get my new, my new, I can't pronounce it. My new fidget spinner, I can make a video about it. Well, for now, I got my my brother gave me his, and he got like this fur. He got it fur day. So I'm still waiting for my new fidget spinner to come. Hi, Mom. Yeah. Sorry, guys. That was just my mom. I thought like say hi to her. So yeah. Well, the only trick this is the only trick I'm probably good at. The rest is not good. I can do this one. I like the only these like the two tricks I'm probably good at. The rest are like easy. Like I have a knee. Look. Well, I'm sorry you can't see it. What's that? So I know this is a long time didn't make any video, but since I got finished myself, it could be a good time to made it. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.